As China's comprehensive national strength increases, China's creations are gradually reaching the world. More and more China products are selling well overseas. Cross-border e-commerce is booming. A perfect cross-border e-commerce shopping experience is inseparable from the rapid delivery of logistics. International email is also an important mode of cross-border e-commerce logistics. Today we will introduce international email treasure. First, let's look at the meaning of international email. International email is a new economical international postal product tailored by China Post for Chinese e-commerce sellers to meet the needs of the international e-commerce delivery market. Currently, this business is limited to China e-commerce sellers and senders providing parcel delivery services to countries and regions such as the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, and Australia. Then let's look at the basic characteristics of international email. 1. Affordable. It supports charging based on the total weight. The first weight of 50 g is calculated per gram, and the subsequent weight is calculated per gram, and registration fees are exempted. 2. The timeliness is fast. The delivery can be completed in 7-10 days, helping sellers improve the logistics delivery timeliness. 3. Professional, tailored for China e-commerce sellers. 4. Excellent service, providing package tracking numbers, perfect connection between the system and eBay, and one-stop operation. Let's take a look at the size and weight limits of international email. 1. Weight limit. The maximum weight limit of a single piece is 2 kg. 2. Volume limit. The maximum size limit the total length, width and height of a single piece of mail to not exceed 90 cm, and the maximum length of one side to not exceed 60 cm. The total diameter and length of the round mail shall not exceed 104 centimeters, and the length shall not exceed 90 centimeters. The minimum size limit is that the length of a single piece of mail is not less than 14 centimeters and the width is not less than 11 centimeters. The total diameter and length of the round mail shall not be less than 17 centimeters, and the length shall not be less than 90 centimeters. Then let's take a look at the timeliness and compensation of international email. 1. International email does not provide compensation for loss. If the local bureau provides insurance services, customers can purchase insurance. 2. International email announced that the time limit is 7-10 working days, but does not promise that it will be delivered quickly within 10 working days. If it exceeds, China Post will not provide delay compensation. The fee charging standard for international email. To the United States, international email uses the EMS network for shipping in the domestic section. After exporting to the United States, the U.S. Postal Service will deliver mail through its domestic first-class mail network. Customs clearance adopts the internationally leading EMI electronic customs declaration system to ensure that delivered packages arrive quickly and accurately at their destinations, generally completed within 7-10 working days. International email charges sent to the United States will be implemented according to the zoning charging standards. When arriving in Australia, international email uses the network to ship goods in the domestic section. After arriving in Australia, Australia Post will deliver mail through its domestic register mail network. Customs clearance adopts the internationally leading electronic customs declaration system to ensure that delivered packages arrive quickly and accurately at their destinations, generally completed within 7-10 working days. International email items sent to Australia will not be divided for the time being and will be charged nationally. To the UK, International email uses the EMS network for shipping in the domestic section. After exporting to the UK, Royal Mail will deliver mail through its domestic first-class mail network. Tracking information is no longer provided after packages arrive at UK customs. Generally, proper investment is completed within 7-9 working days. International email items sent to the UK will not be divided for the time being and will be charged nationally. In Russia, eBay teamed up with China Post and Russia Post to jointly design an efficient logistics solution for the international email to Russia for eBay's popular market, with obvious price advantages. Let's look at international email tariffs and customs clearance fees. For products with a declared value of less than $200, no customs duties will be charged. For products within $200, 2000, the customs will issue a customs duty collection certificate and the U.S. Postal Service will collect it when delivering mail to the door. For items exceeding $2,000, a third-party customs declaration company will need to clear customs. The next part, return service, including 1. Mail returned by security inspection or customs at export will be returned to the sender. 2. International email does not provide personalized return services. U.S. Postal Service will regularly summarize and return emails to China, and China Post will deliver them to customers. So, currently, there is no charge for return shipments. Finally, let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of international email. Advantages: international email is faster. The cost is much lower than that of ordinary international EMS, has strong customs clearance capabilities, and no postage will be charged when packages are returned. Disadvantages: only packages under 2 kilograms are limited, and there are limited cities where door-to-door pickups are available. That's all for today's course content. We are studying international email and are concerned about promoting China's creations. Nowadays, times are changing rapidly, and students need to always pay attention to the update of express delivery information in order to better grasp the international express delivery form and keep pace with the times.